गाइस, इस वीडियो में आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि व्हाट आर द demerits or defects I found in this software parser while scraping the data. There are some of the things I don't like about this software. Means I'm going to show through this video. So let me take an example of this Flipkart first of all. This project I have already created, but I will show you from the starting how to create the object in Flipkart also. Let me take any customer fitness and Flipkart. This time I am going to take the reviews from the Flipkart, and there are mainly three defects which I found in the software. How many? Say 61,000 ratings. First of all, I will all the reviews. Then I will copy this website. Then I will go to parser and let me cancel this. Let me recreate the project to make easier. Okay. First of all, what I have to do is, since this project is already created for another website, another link, so I need to change the starting site. So let me delete this site and paste this new one over here, and here also. Okay, now see, fitness charge for fitness. Okay, now what all that I have to scrap? See, the format of the customer review in this Flipkart website is somewhat different. Okay, so as you can see, this is the name, this is the description of the review, and this is the rating, this is the title, and this is the type. So all this information I'm going to scrap. And first of all, I'm going to scrap the name of the review, and so I'll scrap this one. And this, as you can see, all the names are scrapped. Like the previous video only, you can scrap all the data from this also. Next data I'm going to scrap is the title of the description review. This is the title. I will give the title, and I will scrap the date and the rating. This is the date. So what I was going to show you is there is a problem with the rating. In case of Flipkart review, if you want to scrap the rating, then you can see this is the rating which I scrapped, but you will see that in CSV file and Excel file you won't get any ratings over here. This is the one major problem I found while scraping the data from the Flipkart reviews. Uh, So this is the first problem I was talking about. You won't be able to scrap the ratings from the Flipkart. And the second problem which I was talking is who is in the Flipkart only. Now, if you want to scrap description, listen very carefully. If you want to scrap description, let me take a new column for description. Now I have selected the first description. Now you can see over here that all the descriptions are scrapped and stored in this new column. New column is created of the description. So what I was telling you that in case of Flipkart, you will find if the description of a review is too vague, like you can see in my screen that it's really a vague review, and so uh, so the whole review is not shown on the screen. So what the problem is that you will see a icon more. What you will find that as you will scrap the review description from the review, then you will only be able to scrap the review this much, only this much. So I was not able to find how can you scrap a full review from whole page. Means you can't go for clicking more for every review. So this is one of one another problem which I found in this parcel. मैंने even मेल किया था अथॉरिटी को, ये स्क्रैप हब वाले को, कि how to overcome this. Means there may be a way. I think there is a way. I try to find, but मैंने अपनी तरफ से काफ़ी कोशिश की, मतलब कि ये पूरे डिस्क्रिप्शन को पहले कैसे स्क्रैप करें फ्रॉम द रिव्यू, बट आई वॉज अनएबल टू फाइंड. तो इफ़ आप में से किसी को पता चलता है देन प्लीज़ लेट मी नो in the comment box. And this is the major problem. Actually, also let me show you. See, in description if you find, then see. So you can see the last of the review is represented by dot dot dot. So that means that the whole description is not scrapped from this, and this is because of that more icon. Means that more click button, जो भी वो मोर वाला बटन आ जाता है उसकी वजह से हम लोग पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन स्क्रैप नहीं कर पाते हैं. And now I want to tell you a last problem which I found with this scarp parser, and this is also a great problem which जिसकी वजह से I wasted most of my time while scraping the data from the sites. Let me take another project this time, because you will syllables. Actually, I don't want to syllables. Okay. This time I'm going to take a project from this Amazon, my previous set projects only. And so this time I'm going to show you directly. I'm going to scrap the data. क्या होता है actually? The problem I found is that कि कभी-कभी क्या होता है, मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हो जाता है कि एक ही उसको आप रन करेंगे. जैसे आपका एक ही प्रोजेक्ट है उसको रन करेंगे, तो क्या होता है कि ये this software actually was not able to scrap the whole pages, like it is collecting page 1 now to maybe if आप सोच लें, take a scenario that if you want to scrap a data of 200 pages, see, so you will see that in this project you are only able to scrap data of 2 pages only, scrap, but I want to scrap the data of 200 pages. And तो क्या होता है कि ये प्रोजेक्ट इसकी वजह से कभी कभी ये अपने आप रुक जाता है, मतलब पूरे पेजेस स्क्रैप नहीं करता. सो इफ आई रन दिस प्रोजेक्ट अगेन देन यू विल फाइंड द रिजल्ट विल बी डिफरेंट. मीन द नंबर ऑफ स्क्रैप पेजेस विल बी चेंज. तो इस बार देखना कितने पेज स्क्रैप होते हैं. तो ये इस सॉफ्टवेयर में ग्लिच है काफ़ी बड़ा, मतलब मैं काफ़ी बार फेस किया, ऐसा नहीं है, तो मुझे बार बार प्रोजेक्ट को रन करना पड़ता था ताकि मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डाटा स्क्रैप कर सकूँ फ्रॉम द साइट. नाउ see the let's wait and see how many pages are going to be scrapped. Means इस प्रोजेक्ट में मैंने डाला इनफाइनाइट तक, मतलब सिंस इट इज ए फ्री ट्रायल तो इनफाइनाइट मतलब 200 मैक्स टू मैक्स पेजेस स्क्रैप करेगा. पर क्या होता है इस सॉफ्टवेयर में यही ग्लिच है, देखो 2 स्क्रैप करने के बाद रुक गया. ऐसा मतलब हर बार नहीं होता है, तो मैं क्या करता था, प्रोजेक्ट दोबारा से नया बनाता था. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो a मेजर प्रॉब्लम आई फाउंड with this software. तो and if you like my video then please like it, subscribe it, and I hope you like it. Have a great day. Bye bye.